ZJBENY PV module level rapid shutdown provides solar efficient and safe for residential and commercial solar rooftop systems. 3 ways of shutdown. PV DC voltage reduced to safe level, ZJBENY RSD, ensuring system safety intelligently and permanently. The latest SunSpec version RSDs achieve PLC communication, easier to install, meet the NEC RSD requirements. How BFS 21 and BFS 22 RSDs meet NEC compliance. When emergency occurs, switch off the inverter built-in or the external RSD transmitter to achieve the rapid shutdown. AFCI device detects the DC arc faults. Active disconnection ensures PV safety. Fault detection. Rapid shutdown.